Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a second YouTube channel under same account. So simply at first open your YouTube, click on to profile, then you get YouTube Studio. Just press on to YouTube Studio, follow the left side showing you to settings, press on, click on channel, and showing it to three different way, press on advanced settings, scroll down and showing it to manage YouTube account, press on, click on add or manage your channel. So showing it to all channel under this account. If you want to create a new channel, press on create a new channel. Okay, and you can easily create new channel from here. So that's it.